Hello friends, last few periods we discussed about the stereochemistry, and from this we already discussed about the conformational stereoisomerism as well as other isomerism, optical isomerism, and today we will consider or we will see about the number of stereoisomers and optical isomers and mesoform. Actually, the number of stereoisomers as well as these optical isomers are depending upon the whether this molecule is symmetrical or unsymmetrical, and also it is depending upon the presence of number of stereoisomers. Means these there are stereoisomers are odd or even. Now there are three types. Type first, in this case, when the molecule is unsymmetrical, and contain n number of chiral centers. Means in this case molecule is unsymmetrical and here the n is the chiral center. So formula is that number of optical isomers that is we denoted as O, and the formula is 2 to the power n. N is the number of chiral centers and number of mesoisomers. That is, this is considered as a small m and it is 0. And total number of stereoisomers equals to O plus m, means 2 to the power n plus 0 equals to 2 to the power n. Now we will consider the one example for this 2,3-dichlorobutane. Example, the name of this compound is 2,3-dichlorobutane. Now here this is the chiral center. Now when you consider the heading here, molecule is unsymmetrical. Molecule is unsymmetrical because this part and this part are not identical and there are two chiral centers. So we will put up the values in the above formula, and here total number of optical isomers. Total number of optical isomers equal to 2 to the power n. So n is the number of chiral center. In this case there are two chiral centers. So 2 to the power 2, so it is 4. And you know very well about this. Number of mesoisomers are 0. Then total number of stereo isomers equals to O plus m. So 4 plus 0, that is 4. So in this case, when we consider the 2,3-dichlorobutane is the example, here number of chiral center are 2 and hence the total number of stereoisomers are 4. So this is the first type. Now we will move towards the second type. Now type 2. Type 2 where the molecule is symmetrical and even number of n chiral centers. So the number of optical isomers is 2 to the power n minus 1 and the number of mesoisomers is 2 to the power n minus 2 upon n minus 2 minus 1. So total number of stereoisomers is equal to the sum of optical isomers and mesoisomers. Now we will take the example here. We will take example tartaric acid. Tartaric acid. So tartaric acid. So this is the chiral center. Okay, and this molecule is symmetrical because this part and this part are identical. Now we will put up the values here. So 2 n minus 1. So there are 2 chiral centers. So 2 minus 1. So equals to 2 and number of mesoform or mesoisomers equals to 2 upon 2 minus 1 equals to 2 to the power 1 minus 1 equal to the power 0. So it become 1. So here total number of optical isomers are 2 and number of mesoisomers are 1. So total number of stereoisomers are the addition of optical isomers and mesoisomers. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So 3 is the total number of stereoisomers, that is 3. Now we will move towards the third type. Third type is that when the molecule type 3 molecule is symmetrical and has odd number of chiral center, then the formula is that here formula 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 2 to the power n by 2 minus 1 by 2 and the number of mesoisomers m is 2 n by 2 minus 1 by 2. So total number of stereoisomers is the addition of optical isomers and mesoisomers. So O plus m equals to 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 2 to the power n by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 2 to the power n by 2 minus 1 by 2. So it become 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, so final number of total stereoisomers is the 2 to the power n minus 1. Now we will take one example here. Try hydroxychlorotic acid. Trihydroxy glutaric acid. Okay, and this is the chiral center. So in this case n equals to 3, n equals to 3 and molecule is symmetrical. So this part and this part are identical. Now we will see we will calculate the number of optical isomers. So number of optical isomers is 2 to the power 2 minus 1 equals to 4 minus 2 equals to 2, and number of mesoisomers equals to 2 to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 equals to 2 to the power 1, means it is 2. Therefore total number of stereoisomers it is the addition of optical isomers and mesoisomers. So it is 2 plus 2 equals to 4. It is total 4. So today's lecture we discuss about the number of stereoisomers, and it is depending upon the number of optical isomers and number of mesoisomers. Now there are different types. Type first is that molecule is unsymmetrical with n chiral centers, and type second is that when the molecule is symmetrical and the number of chiral centers is the even number, and type 3 is molecule is symmetrical and odd number of chiral centers. So on the basis of this we can calculate a number of total stereoisomers in the molecule. Okay, thank you.